We have made pasta, macaroni, lasagna, spaghetti, all that we have done in different cooking process. But how are we boiling it? That is something that everyone should know in the proper way. That means you take a large pan, pour water and a little salt, pinch of salt, and a little oil, that is 1 teaspoon oil or butter you put, and then you start cooking. Boil this. When boiling, you can see slowly add the pasta or the macaroni or whatever you are using, like spaghetti or lasagna. Don't break the spaghetti or lasagna. You just put it into the pan without covering. Boil it for 8 minutes. When you boil it for 8 minutes, you can see the steam goes out and the starch goes off, and then your pasta is baked, like boiled properly. Like once it's boiled, you strain and take it out. That's all you have to do. You don't have to wash or do anything, but you strain it and use the pasta. When I say pasta, macaroni and pasta are the same. Those days we called it pasta, now we call it as macaroni. Macaroni, we have different varieties and shapes of it. That is like about 20 varieties, 20 shapes of macaroni you get. So you can use any of those, but boiling is the same. 8 minutes you have to boil. Lasagna also same thing, the sheets, but you don't break it, just put it in and slowly it will go in. Even the spaghetti is the same thing. After 8 minutes you take it off, strain and use it. But when it comes to noodles, you don't boil it. You should know, when you are using noodles, take a large pan, put the noodles, pour boiling water and keep for 3 minutes. Put a little salt and a little oil and cover and keep for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we have to wash it nicely, strain, remove the hot water, hold under the tap and nicely wash till the starch goes. After that, strain and use. These are the ways that you have to do the pasta, macaroni or lasagna, spaghetti, all that, even the noodles. When we have already boiled, different ways. Spaghetti, you know how to do it. And then when it comes to lasagna, we know how it is done. I think I have done all that for you, but still you can always watch. And those things, like lasagna, when you do, you need the bolognese sauce. So when you do the pasta, macaroni and things like that, we need milk or stock or something, and we don't need a lot of vegetables when we make the pasta variety, macaroni. You have to use only chicken or meat or prawns or whatever you like you can use, but no vegetables as such. But when it comes to lasagna, you can use a little vegetables also. And spaghetti also you can use a little vegetables plus the meat variety. So you know how to do it. The main thing is how to boil. These are the things that you should realize when boiling. Open and boil for 8 minutes. Do not forget that. Thank you.